forgot I already recorded the things already. What shit was that?
You are about to watch a master at work. Someone who can't be matched. Ameinthomas.
I'm not your average American. Niggas see me and they swear that they seen it. They like my name is Master America. This not a ritual, but I go digging my deal just so we can pull up and bury them. Thinking and trapping, I'm women, no fish kill. Got my water that Hollywood.
What is good, you guys? It's your boy Ameinthomas back with another YouTube video, and today we are going to be attending a car meet. If you don't know by the title down below, you know what I'm saying? The car meet is in East Brunswick, New Jersey. Yeah, your boy's a Jersey head. You know what I'm saying? I'm Jersey head. If you don't know me, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully, when we get there, it'll be, you know, a decent amount of cars, good-looking cars. Get a good video for you guys. You know what I'm saying? So that way, besides me reacting to videos, I told you I'm gonna do vlogs. It's not always gonna be car meet, but it could be other shit. You know what I'm saying? Other stuff. Sorry, other stuff. But yeah, it's called Bills and Burgers. Bills and Burgers. I like kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. And so I didn't wash my car today. And I already told you, look at that sexy ass. Is that a Speed? No, it's not a Speed 3. I already told you guys, I was gonna paint my hood. As you can see, it's primer on here. Primer on this hoe. My car is dirty, so I'ma just park in the back on the fact of it's dirty and shit looking ugly right now. And I didn't rip.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Rip this on ice, trying to get out of it. Rip that shit. Without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm gonna go get gas first, and then from there go ahead there. All right guys, so I'm here, you feel me, at the car meet. Is right behind me, low-key. So let's go check out a few cars. All right, bro, he's cleaning out a WRX. These are the Race to Society crew right here. Clean ass Hondas, bro. SIs, R's, clean ass shit, low key. Race to Society. Clean as fuck though. Alright, so guys, the reason why I had to cut the audio is the fact of they were playing copyrighted music, and I really don't want this video to get taken down, you know, just to give you guys more content. But enjoy it, listen to this music, and rock out with it, you feel me? Check out the beautiful cars. That shit clean though. I forgot I already recorded the things already. What shit was that? Alright, so guys, I was just out there, bro. It's fucking, I mean, it's cold. Like, it's literally freezing. I can't even feel my hands. I wasn't even out there for that long. I was literally out there for like a good 10 minutes at probably 15 max. It's coldish. It's cold as, let me stop. It's cold as hell. Jesus Christ, bro. Like, oh my God, it's cold. But, I'm gonna see if I can get some, I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, see if any more cars come in. Because, like, you know, it would be a waste of gas because it's like 30 minutes away from where I lived at. You know what I'm saying? So might as well see if more cars come in because I know I showed up late. I ain't really parked my car over there in the area because, you know, my car is not looking too good right now. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna move over there. I'm gonna move a little bit closer because I actually parked pretty far. And see if any other cars come in. So I moved up and not too many people showed up after I moved up, so I just decided just to leave on the fact of it wasn't getting any bigger. But it was a pretty nice meet, pretty decent meet. Decent amount of cars there, decent amount of good looking cars. Everybody's doing their builds and stuff like that. I don't discriminate if you just starting out and everything like that. Your car looks dope to me. But yeah, so I just decided to leave, and plus I had to do something afterwards, so I just decided to skedaddle. I got some food too. I got some McDonald's. That's why I'm fat right now. Let me stop. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to do that, and check in the link in the description to check out my previous video. And I really hope you enjoyed it. Ameinthomas is out, baby.